He is involved. I mean, my man's a true freedom fighter. He's always fighting on the right side of the people, and he's very involved in this George Floyd case. What can you tell us, man? And good morning, by the way.
Hey, thank you so much, Harry Crack. Actually, it's just unbelievable. As I talk to my clients and I get to know more about George, you just know that they did not have to kill him in this manner. The videos that are coming to us from the surveillance videos at Attorney Crump, you can see all aspects of the arrest. He was not causing any violence upon them. It was a nonviolent felony accusation, but yet they used excessive violent force. I mean, knee on the neck, head crack for 9 minutes. I mean, can you imagine? You take your cell phone and you set the stopwatch for 9 minutes and just sit there and think about somebody on your neck while you're begging for breath, begging for life, as they suffocate you. And the public is even asking, please just get your knee off his neck. But the police, who are supposed to protect and serve us, they kill him. And they need to be arrested immediately. We need to be calling the district attorney and demanding, everybody in the sound of my voice needs to be demanding of District Attorney Mike Freeman to arrest and charge all 4 of these police officers with murder. The phone number is 612-348-5550 because his family is struggling trying to explain to his children why the police killed him by putting their knee on his neck for 9 minutes.
Now, that number again is 612-348-5550. And what is the verbiage in which needs to be used? Because sometimes we can be so passionate about things, we work against ourselves when we get people on the phone. What do we need to be saying when we call that number?
We need to say, District Attorney Mike Freeman, based on the ocular proof of the video alone, there exists probable cause and evidence to arrest the individuals who we see on that video for killing George Floyd. That's all you need to say.
Murderer.
We're demanding that you arrest them immediately. There doesn't need to be a long investigation, Harry Crack. We all see what happened.
Absolutely.
Attorney Crump, Angie here. I wanted to ask you a question. One, how confident are you that the DA will bring charges to these 4 officers, or at least the one that had his knee in George Floyd's neck? And then also, you have in the last month, you've now had to speak on behalf of the family of Breonna Taylor, Ahmaud Arbery. Do you feel like there's kind of like just a spike, or is there something in the air? Is this unusual to see so many of these back to back like this?
Well, I'll take your second question first, Angie. It's not unusual, but the fact that we have so much objective evidence, like the video in Ahmaud Arbery. They kill black people every day in America. They just sweep it under the rug and try to justify it. But the fact that we got the video in George Floyd, we got the video in Ahmaud Arbery, we got the search warrants and the 911 tape in Breonna Taylor where she was executed in her apartment. So we are seeing all of this visual objective evidence, and normally you don't have that. And I do think it's open season on black people in America by the people who are supposed to protect and serve us, even during the coronavirus.
Got you. And we know you got to run, Attorney Benjamin Crump. We got to bring you back soon so we can talk about all these cases and find out where we're at with all of them. It just sucks that there's so many. One more time, the district attorney's number is 612-348-5550.
We are the Morning Hustle.